Hi, this is week 5 of Lovable shipped, and I'm in super hectic situation because I'm leaving for Tomorrowland, so I have only 2 days to figure out week 5 basically. And I took a huge challenge in a sense of that we have only 2 weeks left to finish all of this, and I thought to myself, I don't really like the design, so I basically need to redo everything. So I did, and this is how well I managed to done everything basically in 2 days. So let's jump into it. So basically, this is the old version of the app, and I wasn't really satisfied with the design, layout, and everything. So I redo it in these 2 days, and I try to match the colors. I try to simplify everything. So basically, this is the same quest tab as this one, but this is much more simplistic. And I'm still playing with the stuff in here if it's maybe still too much, or I try to take as much feedback as possible. Also, the Pomodoro system here is simplified as much as possible. Here you can choose your task that you will work on. You can create your task based on your preferences. And here you just run it out, and if you want some additional tips, it's here hidden under this button, and you have some specific settings for how the Pomodoro you want to use. And there is analytics that are in preparation. And then I added journal here, which is super simple compared to the version that I had here, which is much bigger, a lot of stuff around. There is some daily goals as well, and might be overwhelming as people reported. So I try to minimize it as I could. So this is what I end up with. And comparing the journal stuff, this is like very complex journal. It has even like additional long-term thoughts, which are very specific. A lot of stuff here to be adjusted, and I just redo it and made super simple daily writing, which looks right now like this, which is quite simplistic. And yeah, then there is profile, some basic stats, some achievements. Still not finished. That's what I plan to do in the last week, because as I said, I'm coming back on Monday. So yeah, I will have 5 weeks to launch everything. And yeah, I was working a lot on the logic and the structure just to figure out everything is too complex and not that necessary. So yeah, learning a lot through this process. I'm very happy about being part of the Lovable ship, because pushed me a lot. I learned a lot. Yeah, and this redesign, I'm kind of happy about what I was able to do here in under this pressure. Yeah, plus what I wanted to showcase is the mobile version connection, because like the new version is much well aligned with the mobile phone, with this navbar on down there. The only thing that needs to be fixed here is the quest tab, because yeah, there is too much stuff and I haven't adjusted it yet. But the timer works quite well. There is everything as it should be. Journal thing as well. So yeah, I'm quite happy about that. Yeah, the logo is still not updated, as I said. Yeah, I was processing a lot of stuff, trying to refactor the logic, and I really didn't have much time. And yeah, this is what I came up with. And if you compare the version here, you can check right now. Yeah, this is not even suitable for it. So yeah, I'm quite happy about the progress here. Yeah, so yeah, I believe this is a step forward for sure, which is a good thing. So yeah, looking forward to next week, where everything will be finalized and I hope released. So peace and see you soon.